Today is day 8 of my 90 days trading challenge. Nipan suba numit September ki tang nipan 2022. Ngasi gi aina changgiba trade ki review. Market ngasi gi market opened with a gap down of around 130 points. Gap down la matungda it steadily recovered lakre matungda sigi ngasi gi chatkriba gap si fill tawrame fill tawase nungthin gi pung 12 minute tara tawa swai matamda gap si fill tawre ngasi gi closing si yaure matungda market si mathakta kaba ngamakre. I was looking for a sorting opportunity around here, but then market was showing a higher high relation until now. Hybadu karina matamda haujiboki timing da market se sida low ma laire sigi low si mathakta sida low ma seme si low si mathakta mu sida mu low ma seme hybadu zigzag si sumaina higher high ama sema kanda higher low and higher high ama sema karai banina sigi market ki trend si uptrend chalebnina I was not confident to short adubo aina sigi trade sida sorting opportunity se karamba matamda phangki hamtona sigi matungda gidi sigi low se kai tabida swaina muk chatpa gi mota market sumaina oina lakre sumaina lakpa hogre sida gidi it was forming a lower high relation or a lower low relation sumaina semba horkreba tuduna aina trade changgibsi I sorted it around 2:20 PM pung ani minute kun swaida enter tawkreba. The logic behind this trade is si se lower low form tawre plus si se ngarang nahangi support oiramna react tawramba area ne sida support 1 time 2 time swaida 3rd time 4th time swaina ek tawramba area si dugi amakhada ngasi si chongthara haugra matungda sigi area se support orambadagi resistance on greba sigi zone je then sigi resistance zone on grabanina sigi mapa sidagi mati amatta launa kaikhat loroga su sidagi ong pallaga kela matungda 20 moving average sigi 20 moving average sidagi sigi makhada su closing piba ngai baneba doina changbase sida hammer inverted hammer ama form tawbasina aigi sida entry point oil confirmation do pira matungda around here swai mapa sida ai entry tawgreba pung ani ga minute kunda silare pung ani minute kunda ai entry tawre. This is my hedge position. I hedged with 17,400 call option and I sorted 17,000 call option. Sije 53 rupees ta aina short tawreba pung ani ga minute kunjida sisna hedge wala sije rejected order ni aduga I closed my position around 245 ta ina close tawreba sigi mapa sida close tawbagi logic si kai no amtamda around this time at 245 bank nifty was coming to around its opening low sigi ngasigi opening low gi sigi area swai area sida bank nifty ji tu pung ani ga minini fu manga da to sida lakramnina sidagi amkong reverse lakpagi chance lim maramdi sidagi swana ngasi je ka gibanina sidagi amkong reverse lakpagi abai possibility laibanina sima pase opakanda aina nifty se sida close tawkreba here 245 ta tuna yang khai humdoi daina sell tawgibadu I close it at 36 and made a profit of 3,345 rupees and ngarang gi profit 8,000 lera sigi ngarang bauta igi balance se 1,32,000 leirambadu 3,000 je hapsilaga horen 1,35,000 kumba yaura aneba. But today aigna miss out tawya ba ina note tawya ba point c sida entry tawai mota I could have entered here sigi area se swai area si je support to resistance on graba matungda swai gi area si 20 moving average ki makada sida closing pire swai area sida oina entry tawramani hena phase pung ama makhai da sida entry tawramaga sida stop loss thamamba taragadi in a fazaba trade or I could have earned a bit more profit, but then it's okay. Next time I see no targa miss out of nava. That's all for today.